Let this small circle represent $1 million, the number most people call rich. Now imagine that circle doubled. That's $10 million. Multiply it again, that's $100 million. And now stretch it so far across your screen that it barely fits. That's $1 billion. Now imagine this. Some individuals on this planet have dozens of those billion-dollar circles stacked on top of each other. Some have so much wealth, you would need a telescope to see the end of the line. And then, there's you. Maybe you're working a job you don't love. Maybe you're finishing a degree that you hoped would guarantee success. Maybe you've done everything society told you to do, and you still feel stuck. Your income feels small, your rent feels massive, your debt feels suffocating. You scroll past the news, seeing teenagers becoming millionaires on YouTube, new tech founders cashing out for billions, investors making more money overnight than you made in the last 5 years. And a voice inside whispers, how is this possible? What are they doing that I'm not? Did they cheat? Did they just get lucky? Am I too late? Am I not smart enough?